All right, let's look at our slope formula. And this is our formula that we're going to be using when we are given 2 points. So we're going to have a point x and y and another point x and y. And we use this formula to find the slope of the line between those 2 points. So our formula looks like this. M is just our way of saying slope. And we're going to take y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so we've got these slopes. These points. This would be point 1 and point 2. And I'm going to label my x and y and how I'm going to use them. So we've got y2, so that would be the y here, the second y of the second equation, minus y1. And then we'll divide it by x2, x1. Make sure, and I always still label my x1 and my y1 and my x2 and my y2 so I keep everything straight. You have to make sure you're using the same point for each one. Let's look at some examples. We've got these 2 points. So again, I'm going to label them. This would be, since this is my first point, this is my x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so my slope is going to equal y2 minus y1 divided by 5 minus 1. This equals 3 divided by 4. Okay, the second example, we've got these 2 points. Again, I'm labeling x1, y1, x2, y2. This is where it's going to start getting a little bit tricky because we're going to be dealing with a lot of negatives and minus signs. And if you're having trouble figuring out when you change it to a plus, then let me know and I'll show you how to figure that part out. So we've got y2, which is negative 11, minus y1 of 0 divided by negative 2 minus negative 7. I always write it out with the minus sign and then whatever sign we have here. And then I know if I have a minus and then a negative, then really this is negative 11 minus 0, negative 2 plus 7. I either go ahead and do all of that, or I also sometimes just plug it into my calculator exactly like this, and I can show you how to do it so that all your signs stay properly. So negative 11 minus 0 is just negative 11. Negative 2 plus 7 is positive 5. So this is our slope, negative 11 over positive 5. And that's it. A lot of these are going to be fractions, so make sure if you are using your calculator, you're getting a fraction. We're not talking in decimal numbers. All right, this final example over here. We got x1, y1, x2, y2. So m equals 4 minus 4, negative 1 minus 1. Okay, we have 4 minus 4, which is 0, over negative 1 minus 1, which is 0. 0 divided by 0 is 0. So our slope is 0. Remember from our slope notes that slope can be 0. All right, I'm not going to do all three of these. I'm just going to do one. But if you are given a table, just pick which 2 points you want to use. So I'm going to choose this as my x1, and then this would be my y1, x2, y2. M equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Ten minus 7 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. Again, like I said, we're leaving these as fractions. So my slope here is 3 divided by 2. And then you can try these on your own if you would like.